So what I do is I spray one side and spray the underside as well, so when it goes in, the top side is showing and this side is there. So I'm not going on my hands, but I'm completely covering the timber, and also make sure the ends are sprayed as well. Something else they can't do if they're putting it in, if they're spraying it or painting it once it's in place. How are you going to conserve the ends? You can't. It's invited to do it at this stage. It's a bit more tedious and time consuming, but that's life. Once I've got it in place, I use these things to hold it in place before nailing. These nail guns are great. He's put 90s in, 90mm nails in. The compressor I've got is a tiny bit on the small side. You could do with it's 24 litres. I'd recommend you get 35 or 40 or 55 litre compressor, because this runs out of air and the last nail doesn't go in all the way, so I have to wait for it to regain pressure before I can continue. But you'll see that. I use a drill just to give it a starter, and then I use this hammer drill with one of these things on, the adapters on. These are great. It's like a ratchet type thing. What do you call it? Everything's a locker in Russian. The socket on a adapter thing just goes into the drill. It's got a magnet in as well. Makes it really easy to bang them in. And it's got a hammer inside, so it makes it really easy. Don't if you're doing this, whether you're having somebody build it for you or you're building it yourself, don't skimp on these bolts. They're quite expensive, but they're not going to break the bank. Make sure you get zinc-plated ones. Don't get steel ones. Get zinc-plated and zinc-plated washers, shaibis. I think you just screw bolts in English, but bluffery in Russia. And make sure you don't skimp on them. The important thing, otherwise they'll just underneath the house they will just rot and go rusty, and then eat into your wood. So really don't want that.